Before you press that record button, there are some important things you must consider if you truly want your video to succeed in YouTube. Many creators out there fail not because they are not wise, but because they skip the planning stage. In this video, I will show you 7 major things you need to consider before you create any video, so you can create smarter, grow faster, and create content that people would like to watch. So let's get started. So number one is know your purpose. Before creating any video, ask yourself, why am I creating this video? Is it to entertain people, teach them something, inspire them, or to make them laugh? Your purpose will determine the way you will speak, the style of editing, and the audience that it will attract, and how you will record it. And when recording, make sure you stay focused on your main message. Don't confuse viewers with too many ideas. Okay, very important. While posting, make sure you use a title and description that clearly explain the purpose of the video. YouTube algorithm likes clear content because it understands who to recommend it to. If your title and description is totally different from the purpose of the video, it will confuse the YouTube algorithm to whom it will push the video to. So make sure that your title and description is aligned with the purpose of the video. Very important. The second one is knowing your audience. Not every video is for everybody. You need to know who you are creating for. Ask yourself, what age group am I targeting? What problem do they have? And what kind of video do they enjoy? When you understand your audience, it will make your content to become more valuable and relatable. And also, how to record. Use a simple English that your audience can understand, and simple words, and also simple examples that they can connect with. Okay? And also, while posting, use a searchable keyword that your audience search on YouTube. Okay? Example can be how to create a YouTube channel, how to cook this food, how to do this, or video creation guide. Okay? So use a searchable keyword that you know that people are searching on YouTube, and it also help the algorithm to push your video to the right people. Okay? Very important, note this. The third one is plan your video before recording. Never start recording without a plan. Write down your intro, main point, ending, and also the call to action. This is very important, okay? Planning saves time and it makes your video look professional. And how to record it, use a script or bullet point so you don't forget the important information. And also how to post it. Video with good structure usually make viewers watching longer, and YouTube algorithm rewards video with high watch time. Okay, so the fourth one is focus on good audio and lighting. Viewers may forgive bad video quality, but you see sound? No. It's hard for them to forgive if your sound is not clear enough in your video. Okay? So if your audio is unclear or noisy, it will make viewers to leave quickly. So this is how you should record. Record in a quiet place. Use a natural light or ring light or any source of light that will make your face visible. Okay? And also use a microphone if possible. This is how to post. Before you upload your video, watch it completely to check the sound and also the brightness of the video. High quality increase retention and audience trust. Note this. So check your video very well before you upload it. Okay? Number five, create an attention grabbing thumbnail and title. Your thumbnail and title are the first thing people see, and if it's boring, they will not like to watch your video. Okay, so make sure that your titles and your thumbnail is more relatable. Okay, make sure it is attention grabbing. So this is how to record it. While recording, capture an expressive reaction and a screenshot that you can use for thumbnail later. Okay, and when you are posting it, make sure you use title like avoid this video creation mistake. Okay, and also do this if you want your video to go viral. That kind of title, if you see it anywhere, you would love to click. Okay, so and your thumbnail, make sure you use a bold text and clear face expression. Okay, and also use a simple color and a simple design. Don't overcrowd your thumbnail. Okay, just make it simple. This is very important. Okay, a high click-through rate tells YouTube that your video is interesting. So note this, always create a title that if people see, they will love to click. And also your thumbnail, don't overcrowd it. Make it simple. Position the title bold and simple, and the image or face expression make it to come out simple. Don't overcrowd it. Okay, very important, note this. Number 6, avoid copyright problem. Using copyrighted music, clips or image can hurt your channel. The video may get blocked, demonetized or removed. Okay, so this is how to record. Use royalty-free music, original footage and free sound effects. Don't use anyhow sound that you see online. Okay, make sure the sounds are free on YouTube. So while posting, make sure you go through the YouTube copyright policy before you upload. Okay, and also staying within YouTube policy protect your channel and help your channel for monetization in the future. So note this, always check the copyright policy before you upload your video. Don't use anyhow sound that is not free. Okay, because it will make your video not to go far and it will also bring down your video. So note this, is very important. Okay, avoid copyright issues in your video. Okay. Number 7, think of consistency and engagement. One good video is not enough. Growth on YouTube comes from consistency, and also engagement matters a lot. The likes, shares, comments and also the watch time helps your video perform better. Okay, so this is how to record. At the end of your video, ask your viewers question. What do you think about these tips? Which one helps you the most? This will make them to comment and it will help you to gain engagement. Okay, and this is how to post it. Make sure you post consistently and reply to all comments, because the YouTube algorithm notice the active creators with the engaged audience. Okay, note this, very important. Post consistently. Okay, so these are the 7 major things you should always consider before creating any video. Okay, and if you apply these tips correctly, your video will look more professional, attract more viewers and will perform better on YouTube. Okay, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more content creation tips. Okay, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Okay.